Today we're going to be talking about the Halloween Horror Nights maze update on a Saturday. We don't even know what this is. Nobody has no speculation, but it looks great. It looks like they set up a table over there. I have no idea what this could be, but they're trying to put more detail into it. Do you know what it could be?
I don't know. I thought when I first saw like a house being built. I mean, who knows? Maybe it might be. I don't know.
Nobody knows.
It's like at first when they were like, "Oh, it's a house." I was hearing rumors that they were building like a house. I was like, "Oh, they're bringing the haunting of a house," but I don't know. It just doesn't look like it now that I look at it.
Yeah, nobody has any idea. I could see that they added that in there as well. Those little boards. That wasn't there before.
They're painting also on the door. It seems like that's going to be the primary color on the door.
I also see kind of like some holes in the wall. I don't know if you can see it.
The windows. It looks like they have the windows supposedly have like wood barriers on them.
Yeah. I have no idea, guys. I have no idea what this could be. But it's great. I'm happy to see it coming alive. I think it's gonna start the first week of September, and they haven't started this side yet. This is where Pandora's box was last year, but it's too early to tell, guys. It's way too early to tell. But follow us around to walk around City Walk and see what's new. Hopefully we see some new Super Mario Nintendo World updates, and yeah,
we'll see you then. It's cool. It looks like, I'm pretty sure they're going to paint the barriers to look more wood-like.
Yeah.
But it looks like that's going to be the final color for the door, like the door frame. So.
But man, like, this has to be like one of the first times that nobody actually knows, like, speculate. Like, nobody knows what this is. Unless it could be like an original Orlando maze that they have.
Like rainbow-like barriers right here on the side. And then you can zoom in right there.
Yeah, that wasn't there before. Let's see if it can go more to the side. Yeah, so we're approaching this from the side now. We can see a little bit more, but we also see like a prop. I don't know if you guys can see that right there in the middle.
Kind of like worn out wallpaper.
Yeah, we have no idea what that is. Yeah, I have no idea. But I'm excited. I'm definitely excited. We have the other stuff that's down here as well.
Barrier wall. One barrier window on this side, and then there's no more built throughout the side. So I'm guessing this theme that's in the front is going to be different than whatever is going to go through, like different scenarios.
Yeah.
Like she has to run for her life. I don't know what that is. I think that's part of the Simpsons, right? I don't know.
Probably. There goes the VIP studio tram right there.
Ooh, fancy.
But yeah, we'll continue this journey at City Walk, guys. See you later.
Bye.
So everything currently right now is still under construction. Don't know when this is going to be available, but we're going to go ahead and go inside this comic book shop. Oh, look at that.
Very good.
Look at that, guys. Iron Man right there. Yeah, Boba Fett and R2-D2. I am a Funko Pop collector myself, so if I see something I will want. What?
Fun fact, I bought him the cotton candy maker machine.
They have way more up here too, look. I kind of like that one up there, the little Guns N' Roses one. And then the Emperor with Dracula. That one's pretty cool too. Awesome comic book shop, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. It's cool though. Oh, they have Magna too. Read some Demon Slayer. Oh, we ended up getting cool t-shirts from this place.
We did. So, first one is mine. I'm obsessed with Delight and Franklin. They're so cute.
That is a pretty cool shirt. And just again, that this is what the store's called. It's very nice on City Walk. It's definitely something that you have to visit.
This is Jesse's. I've never actually seen a shirt
I've never
like this.
seen this. Yeah, I've never seen a shirt like that. So just had to get it.
It says you're gonna need a bigger boat. Jesse's always saying that.
Alrighty. Now we walk. A lot of people are gonna go see Sonic. I know that for a fact.
It smells like popcorn.
Yeah. What do you want to eat?
I don't know.
We'll find out right now, guys. Stay tuned. See that the Wizard of Oz.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and overall, like always, stay spooky.